Big Migs and Jay, and today we're going to be seeing Do Londoners Like Leche Flan?
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind. I'm sipping.
Yo, so we're going to be cooking up some Leche Flan today, and for this video we had to recruit not only the best, we had to recruit the one, the only
PM21AM.
Christmas time, baby.
Hey, what are you guys doing? Merry Christmas! These are the presents underneath the tree. Dun 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 dun. I'm talking about you two.
Oh, why?
So it was time for us to go shopping.
Let's go get these ingredients, baby.
You ready? What are we gonna be getting today?
Egg on her. Egg, sugar, and milk.
Jay, man, what's that? You just happy to see me?
You know, baby.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving.
So what we up to today, man?
Man, we gonna make some leche
Flan.
You wanna see my ex? Aha, what did you think?
Right. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
X-Men. Hey man, we living good out here. You drop all that. Yo guys, so we got everything we need apart from dun 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 dun. What do we need?
Condensed milk. The key ingredient.
Hey Jay, what'd you say?
Have you ever heard of the Avengers?
Hey fam bam, PM here. Hey man. We're basically cooking Leche Flan for you guys, and we're gonna show you step by step how we're gonna make this. The only thing that we're gonna need over here is sugar, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and some eggs, and a little bit of vanilla extract.
Alright guys, so I have no idea what we're going to do today. I've never made Leche Flan before, but we're going to cook up this Leche Flan and tomorrow we'll be serving it to members of the public. So we're going to see, do Londoners like Leche Flan? Sugar bum 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 bum.
Alright, so we're just gonna
Careful.
drip drip. That's one. Right here.
Oh, egg porno.
One by one. Migs was asking, what is this for? It's for this. Whoop! Yay!
Very useful, you know.
Try it.
Whoops, wrong eggs.
You try it.
Don't try it.
Oh, don't pop. Oi.
That's fine.
Oi.
Hey.
3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
Cracking them eggs, baby.
Break them and shake them.
Like in the kitchen. Then you add condensed milk, evaporated milk, you whip it up, and then you make this concoction here. You add it on top of the sugary layer and you make your Leche Flan. Then you gotta pour it up.
You could probably make 20 Leche Flan. Yeah.
We can benta this na.
The next process is to wrap it and steam it until it's cooked.
We're gonna try this now.
It's
There you
time.
go. It's time.
Whoa. Dripping, baby.
Take it quick.
Take water's burning hot water on my hands.
Show me boiling water.
He's like, take it quick.
Oh wow, that looks
Perfection.
perfect, man. So put this here. 2, 3. Whoa. Hold that, Jay. Wow.
Look at that. With a little funnel. Little tunnel of juice there. Looking good.
Wait, first bite.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Let's all try it.
Nice, fresh and warm. Ideally,
Keep going in.
That's the best way to.
That's really good. That tastes amazing.
Well done, guys.
There we go, Pam Pam.
Good job,
This is
yo.
our Leche Flan.
tomorrow, this is it, man. Public's gonna decide.
Do Londoners like Leche Flan?
Ooh.
going on? Big Mix, Big J, Biggie Troubles.
Bam, bam.
And we're here today in Westfield making people try Filipino desserts. So we're gonna check, do Londoners like Leche Flan? Hey guys, what's going on? So what's your names? Abby, Bo and Kelsey. Lovely to meet you guys. And where are you from?
Sorry.
You're from Surrey, so you're English, yeah?
Yeah.
For the Filipino people that don't know where Surrey is, you're English. Alright, so we've got Leche Flan here today, which is the Filipino creme brulee, chefed up by JJ. And if you just like to grab a spoon and have a little taste.
See you guys think of it. Should get him another spoon, really.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Alright, so you guys gonna cheers, have a little cheers. Don't drop it. Oh. Is it nice? What can you taste in it?
Like maple syrup.
Maple syrup? What do you think? It's alright, yeah?
Is there pumpkin in it?
No, there's... Is there pumpkin, she said?
It's made from...
So what would you give it out of 5? If you could give it a rating? 4 out of 5?
4.
A fair 4?
Yeah.
So guys, have you got any Filipino friends?
No.
Can you say mahal kita?
Mahal kita.
Hey!
PM21AM were at the other side and they were trying to defeat us. So we had to step up our game.
Today with the lovely Mim. And where are you from?
I'm French.
Je m'appelle Miguel.
It's going to be a big challenge because the French, they have creme brulee, and the Filipino, we have leche flan.
That's nice. It's very sweet. A little bit more texture than the French. So it feels different.
Nice. Go for a second bite? Sure thing, let's go. So what would you give it a rating out of 5?
I would go for a 4, but it's slightly too sweet for me,
sweet.
so 3.5.
Okay.
3.5.
3.5. Thank you very much.
Very much.
That's awesome. Cheers.
And can we teach you a Tagalog word before you go? When you like something, you can say masarap. It means delicious.
Masarap.
Masarap.
That's a good one.
Got it.
Yeah, she got it.
Masarap.
High 5. Thank you. Cheers.
And she's going to be trying leche flan today. So what's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah, and where are you from? London. Let's go.
Very nice.
Taste.
It's quite spongy. It's quite syrupy, which is nice. It's got a nice blend of like taste. Yeah, I really like it.
Oh.
Out of 5, what would you give it?
4.5.
4.5, guys. You can say a word that means delicious.
Okay.
It's masarap.
Masala.
Masarap.
Masarap. Yeah.
Masarap.
Masala.
It's actually so damn hard to get people to try my damn leche flan. Come on, come over. Come over here.
Hello, mate. So what's your name?
My name's Mark.
Nice to meet you, Mark. And where are you from?
Chiswick.
Chiswick.
Hi,
Wait.
London.
For our Filipino audience, where is Chiswick? What country?
What country?
Yeah.
It's in London.
It's in London.
London, England.
It's in England. Alright, so you're going to be trying Filipino creme brulee, also known as leche flan. So if you'd like to get a little dip into that and give us a nice taste test. What do you think, Mark?
That's lovely. It's beautiful.
What can you pick up? What kind of textures and flavours?
I'm not sure on the flavour. I've never had anything like it, but yeah, it's nice and soft. It's kind of toffee-ish, buttery.
Yo, what's going on? Big mix. We've got 5 people so far. 5. And we're going to continue on with our search to get people trying Filipino creme brulee, aka leche flan.
Let's go, baby.
Yo, so we're here today with Malman. Where are you from, Malman?
Me, I'm from Central London.
From Central London.
Come on.
Alright, so he's going to be trying leche flan. Let's get some of that in.
Care for that drip, drip.
How'd you find it? What kind of texture? Soft and creamy.
That's what we like. Yeah.
So we're here today with and where are you guys from? Londoners, you hear that?
Okay.
So we're going to get these Londoners to try Filipino leche flan. So have a little taste of that and we're going to get your reaction.
Oh, she went in for a big chunk. That's it.
How do you find it? It's alright. It's alright, mate. What do you think?
Texture's weird.
Weird texture.
It tastes nice.
What kind of descriptive words for the texture is it?
Mushy.
Mushy? What do you think?
Quite spongy.
Quite spongy. And what do you think of the taste?
It's alright. It's kind of sweet.
A little bit sweet. You got some on your bottom lip. Just hey. What do you think? What do you think of the flavour?
It's alright. It's not bad, but it's not amazing.
So out of 5, what would you guys give?
3.5.
3.5. 3. All right. Thank you. Yo. So what's your name?
You know me, man. It's Big J here.
Big J.
We both got so hungry, so we had to try some of that Leche Flan, you know. Everybody's eating it. Oh my god, what kind of demonic Christmas trees? Go back to whence you came!
He's good at it as well. But hey,
It's loud over here, so you're gonna have to shout. Yo, what's going on, Jay?
what's going on, man? Here we have
Pammy.
Pammy. Hello, Pammy.
Hello.
Where are you from, Pammy?
What? Like area? West London.
West London. So she's a Londoner. So today she's going to be trying Filipino Leche Flan.
give it a go. Tell us what you think.
It reminds me of one of my Asian desserts.
Okay.
What would you give it out of 5?
5.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So we're here with my man Ed. And Ed, where are you from?
Northampton.
Northampton. Boom, boom.
Oh yeah. Come on. Alright, so you're going to be trying Filipino Leche Flan here today.
Okay.
And you've never tried this before, have you?
Never, no.
First time experience?
So this is similar to like a creme brulee, I would say, but it's just based on a Filipino recipe. So let's get in and try it.
A nice taste. You're going to get this big bit.
Yeah, man, take it.
You'll see.
Tell us what you think.
So good. He likes it. What kind of texture can you pick up on? And flavors?
It's like the normal creme brulee.
Yeah.
But it's like a bit more like, I don't even know the way, it's like thicker. It's
Is it
nicer.
better?
Yeah,
That's the word.
Creamier.
Creamier.
Better, yeah.
Lovely.
Nice
Thank you.
one.
And can you say mahal kita?
Mahal kita.
It means I love you in Tagalog, in Filipino.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita. Creme brulee, or a Filipino version. Do you want to try?
I do. You can be
Bam. Sure thing. What's going on? Big Mix, Biggie Travels. Look at this. It's all flying about the place. Leche Flan. So I'm here with, what's your name, bro? Tim. I'm here with Tim today. He's from Southwest London, Fulham, and he's going to be trying our Leche Flan.
That's actually dank, yeah.
Yeah, he said it's dank. What does dank mean for my Filipino audience?
Good.
It means really good. In Tagalog, in Filipino language, you say masarap.
When something's tasty.
Masarap means delicious. So you say masarap. Masarap.
See. What would you give it out of 5?
4.5.
That's a strong score.
Boom.
Thank you,
Nice
bro.
one, man. Thank you.
Hey guys, so I was here with PM21AM today.
Yep.
So we done a really good video, and I just wanted to know, what was your success rate like, guys?
10! No.
We actually had like a 12 rating between 1 and 10, and people like 11, 12.
And you
That
guys
was pretty
cooked it
awesome.
up, so that's just
Yes.
amazing.
It's amazing that they actually love what we made.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
one woman, she actually asked, where can we buy it? Where can you buy it?
Damn, so you could have sold it.
Yeah, we could have sold it.
I have one that I can sell to you for £5. I didn't even tell her.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
I could, man.
But she didn't want to be on the camera.
Yeah, it's a good,
So,
it's a
but
good
she
one.
just, we were just basically standing there, we were just holding the plate, just like, can I try? I'm
Yeah.
like, do you mind being filmed? She's like, no. Okay, but you can still try it. And he's like, okay, where can I buy?
Oh wow.
That's pretty awesome.
Nice.
Great.
Yeah, it was
experience.
yeah, it is a really great experience. Knowing what people think of the dessert that we made. Pretty awesome.
Especially this is the first time we did it in Anchorage
Yes.
too.
Yeah,
Very first time.
Thank you, Meg.
Thank
you guys,
for
you're
this guy
welcome.
over here.
You guys,
Thank you for this
hey.
guy over here for including us on this experiment. So
There's going to be plenty more to come, right, guys?
yeah, of course.
Plenty more to come.
We're gonna be doing a lot more collab in the future, and possibly making not just desserts,
For many
but
other
actual
Filipino foods.
food. Yeah.
Wait.
So check that out in the future.
So this is a PM21AM Big Mix Biggie Travels.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank
Over
you
and
guys.
out.
Bye.
What's going on? We managed to do it. We done 2 Lecheflans here today, so Londoners tried it out.
Yep.
And we hope you enjoyed this video.
We're in Westfield, man. It's Christmas, you know, 2019 finishing up. Leche Flan is that flavors, baby.
Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, and drop us some comments. Big Mick, Biggy Travels, and Big J. Boom! Let's go.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind? I'm sipping.